Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Burundi, and also the Chairman of the Elders Council, Your Excellency Ndiyishimiye. I also want to acknowledge the presence of all the leaders here present, but for the sake of time, I'll just say all protocol observed. We are happy to be here to be part of this great occasion as a party which is coming from a country called Zimbabwe. We are coming from a country called Zimbabwe and is led by a part of the liberation which is called Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front, ZANU PF. We are happy that we have been invited to this important occasion where we are supposed to discuss and learn from each other. ZANU PF, as I said, is a party of the past, present, and future. It is a part of the past because it is a part of the liberation struggle. It is a party that fought colonialism. It is a party which is a people's party which is still there even up to this day. So we are saying we are happy that we are here in Burundi, and we want to applaud the leadership for taking care of good of us. But what is most important is that young people in Burundi are very hospitable and resolute. We are happy with what was happening. We are happy with what we saw, and we have taken some lessons from it. We are aware that those who once colonized us would always say bad about us. But I want to say that we are Africans, and those who once colonized us cannot teach us how to do democracy. We choose leaders for us. Leaders are our own. We choose leaders for us. These are our own leaders. We don't care what happens in their own country. They've got their own level of democracy. That's their own. They denied us democracy during colonialism. They cannot teach us democracy today. We are the people. We are the Africans. So we are happy that we are the masters of our own destiny. And at this occasion, we say, young people of Africa, let's work together. Our role is to make sure that we work together for the development of Africa. We work together for the good of motherland. We work together of Africa. Let us not be divided by the geographical borders that were imposed during the Berlin Conference. We are one. We are Africans. I was saying in the last meeting, Imbonera Kure, in Shona, we say Kuona Kure. It means the same thing. We are one people. We are one people. Let's be united. Let's work together. We are happy that our president, where we come from, His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa, is emphasizing that Zimbabwe is open for business. Africa must work together. Let's trade amongst each other for the betterment of the continent. I thank you very much.